In a stretch of the Atlantic Ocean between Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico lies one of the most mysterious regions on Earth, the Bermuda Triangle. For decades, stories of disappearing ships and planes have captured imaginations around the world. People have spoken of strange lights, malfunctioning compasses, and eerie silences on the radio before everything goes dark. But is there really something supernatural in these waters? Or have we simply been fooled by coincidence and fear? It all began with one disappearance that made headlines. In 1945, five U.S. Navy bombers, known as Flight 19, took off from Florida on a routine training mission. Midway through the flight, their leader radioed that his instruments had gone crazy, and he couldn't tell which direction was west. One by one, their voices faded from the radio. The Navy sent a rescue plane to search for them, only for that plane to vanish too. Not a single piece of wreckage was ever found. That story became the heart of the Bermuda Triangle legend. But it wasn't the only one. In 1918, the USS Cyclops, a Navy cargo ship carrying more than 300 men, disappeared somewhere between Barbados and Baltimore. There was no distress signal, no debris, no clue what went wrong. Over the years, similar reports followed. Boats, private planes, even airliners vanishing without a trace. The pattern was impossible to ignore, but when scientists started looking closer, the mystery began to fade. The Bermuda Triangle sits in a part of the ocean notorious for sudden storms, unpredictable weather, and powerful ocean currents. It's right in the path of hurricanes, and rogue waves more than 30 meters high have been recorded there, enough to overwhelm any ship. And those magnetic anomalies that supposedly made compasses spin wildly? Modern measurements showed that the Earth's magnetic field in that region is perfectly normal. Another theory suggested that huge pockets of methane gas could erupt from the ocean floor, reducing the water's density and making ships sink instantly. It's a fascinating idea, but no scientific evidence has ever supported it. In the 1970s, a journalist named Larry Kusha went back through the original reports and discovered that most of the stories were exaggerated or simply false. Many of the ships and planes said to have vanished had actually sunk during storms or mechanical failures far outside the triangle. It turned out the mystery wasn't in the ocean at all, it was in the storytelling. The Bermuda Triangle is no more dangerous than any other heavily traveled stretch of sea. Still, its legend endures because we love mysteries. We crave the unknown, the feeling that there are still places on Earth that refuse to be explained. Maybe that's why, even when science gives us answers, the story of the Bermuda Triangle keeps pulling us back to the deep.